hook on a hook, but it swears the spot's the best one, yeah. Miss one strike, but we just laugh. Some days ain't about what you catch. Boots soaked through, don't matter now. Eagles screaming from the clouds. Sunburned skin, river scars, chasing that pull like a falling star. Reel it in, Colorado, let it run, let it go. Rainbow breaks through the morning sun, yeah, this is how it's done. Reel it in, Colorado, cold clear water, high and wild. Rocky Mountain kind of life, man, this feels right.
Ooh, we got a big one on, guys.
When the fire burns and the day slows down, we pass those stories around. If tomorrow comes, we'll do it again. Same river bend, same friends, reel it in. Colorado, let it fight, let it run. Under stars till the night's done, yeah. We ain't done, reel it in. Colorado, hands smell like pine and
All right, everyone. Thanks for signing in to another exciting episode of First Class Fishing. As you know, we're going to be hitting some rivers again today. It's really cold this morning, so we're going to be doing some jigging and some jerkbait, and we're going to see what we can get moving. But we're going to go after some big browns today. Hopefully we can get some. I'm going for some big bucks, guys. I want some big browns. That's one thing I haven't really hit all year. I've got one good 20-inch brown. But let's go for some big ones, guys. Let's get some big ones today. And it's beautiful, guys. Can't ask for anything more. Follow with me. Let's go. Got it. Got it. Nothing too crazy big, but we got one. First fish of the day, guys. Oh yeah, he's a fighter. Fighting like crazy here. What is that? Maybe a brownie? Yeah, good sized brown here, guys. Let's net him up. It's real pretty. Real pretty looking brown here. Yeah, let's check him out. Found a little jig head. Nice, guys. He's been kind of getting eaten on a little bit. He's had some battles. Nice. Nice, good sized brown here. He's pretty. Let's let him go, see if we can get us some more here. Alright. See you, buddy. Right on. Got a good one on, guys. Got some big head shakes here. Come on, big guy. Oh yeah, he's a big one, guys. He's taking drag on me. Come on here, big guy. Come on up top. Oh yeah, he's big, guys. He's taking lots of drag. He's not tired yet. We gotta tire this big boy out. We only got 6 pound test here, guys, so we gotta be a little careful too. Oh, he's fighting. Here he comes. Oh, come on back. Looks like a rainbow, that's why he's fighting so hard. Nice rainbow here, everyone. Oh yeah. Come in here, big guy. Come on in here, big guy. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Get in the net. Oh yeah, he's in the net, guys. What a fat football. Oh yeah, look at that big boy, everyone. That's what we come down here for. These big old boys right here. Yeah. Let's get this guy in the water here. Woo. Let's check this guy out, everyone. Ooh, he's big fish. Big ol' cut bow, everyone. He's pretty. Heck yeah, let's get some pictures with that big boy. Alright, look at that big fish. Let's go, everyone. Yeah. Big cut bow. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Got him. Got him right there. Oh yeah. It doesn't feel too big of a fish. He feels kind of little. Oop, oop, oop. It's a fighter though. Oh, he's pretty big. Pretty good size cut bow here, guys. Oh no, that's a brown. Beautiful brown. He's actually really pretty. I'll take that back, Brownie. You're pretty. You're really pretty. Wow. Look at the orange on him. He is pretty, guys. That's a pretty fish. Let's get him off. Right down that jig. Got this really pretty brown trout, guys. Oh yeah. He's gold. He's pretty. About 18 inches. Alright guys, let's get him underwater and check him out. I lost a minnow, guys, so I'm trying to, oh I got it, I'm trying to hook it back with my rod here so I don't have to get too deep with my shoes. Oh yeah, I think we got it. I fished it back, guys. Oh, and I don't want to leave this plastic in the water. Oh, there it goes. Woohoo! Let's go get us another one. Oh, we weren't sure but if we were snagged or not, but we got a fish on again, guys. Seems like a pretty good brown here. Yeah, he's fat. Ooh, ooh, come here, big brown. Come here, big brown. Ooh. Oh, that's a cut bow, guys. That's a cut bow. Yep, that's a good size cut bow. Get him in the net here. Oh, nice. That's a nice cut bow, you guys. Man, she is pretty. That's a female right there. You can tell by her round shaped nose there. Little round shaped kite she's got right here. That's a female, guys. See that round shaped nose on her? But that is a cut bow. You can see her slash right underneath her chin there. Let's get this hook out of her mouth here. Hold on, girl. Let me help you out here. She smashed that jig there. Hey, hey, hey. Hold on, I know. I'm gonna get it out here, girl. There you go. Whoop. Nice fat female. She could be carrying some eggs. Yeah, look at that. She's got a big old belly. There's her cut on her. Perfect. Alright guys, let's get a good underwater of her. And we'll let you guys see what she looks like going back home. Right on, everyone. That's a good fish. Good fat one. heads off downriver. So we're just trying to hit this real deep pool right here. Anywhere where you see a river that V's like that, right there in the middle of that V where it gets real slow, that's the money spots, guys. Anywhere in the river. Doesn't have to be this particular spot. So oh, got another one. Yeah, another one, guys. Oh, feels pretty good. Come here, big guy. His head's shaking me pretty good. Oh yeah, pretty good fish. Oh, whoa, whoa. Taking some drag on me. Oh, come here. By the way he's fighting, I'm guessing this is a cut bow, guys. It was pretty big. Oh yeah. Come here, big guy. Tie her out. Oh, whoa. Oh yeah, guys, that's a big fish. That's a nice fish there. Looks like a cut bow from here. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. That's a big fish, y'all. Come here, big guy. Oh. He's not ready yet. That's a big fish. That's a big cut bow. Oh. Take him back off. Come here, big fish. Woo. Come on, big guy. Cut bows. Oh, cut bows fight hard, you guys. These cut bows, they don't like to give up. Ah, dang, as soon as he gets even near me. Oh, don't break my line, big guy. Oh, this is a fight, everyone. Oh, come on, big guy. I'll tighten my drag just a little bit. I don't want him to pop off, though. This is a good fish. Oh. Oh yeah. That's a big male cut bow. Oh, he just took back off. Come on, big guy. Oh. Whoa. Shoot. He does not want to come in. Come over here, big guy. There he is. There he is. Come on. He's getting tired. Yeah. Oh, no. He's taking back off. Come here, big guy. Oh. Come on. Oh. What a fight. He's giving me. Come on, big guy. Come on in here. Oh, he took too much of my line now. Come on, big guy. Come on, get in here. Oh, he's big fish. That's a big fish, y'all. Oh, in the net. Yeah. What a big cut bow. That's what we're after today, y'all. Woo! What a big fish. Oh, man, I'd scream at the top of my lungs if I didn't want everybody in the valley to hear me right now. Yeah. Nice fish, y'all. Man, what a fight. Yeah, he's gonna be wore out right on the lip. Just barely, you guys. What a great fish. Oh man, I just barely caught him too. Whoo! Hold on here, big daddy. Oh, came out of my net, y'all. Get back in that net. I'm not losing you. Yeah. Good for you to eat. Yeah. That's all that was left of that minnow. He smoked it. Woo! Yeah, buddy, look at that big old monster. What a good fish, guys. I guess there's a lot of big cut bows in here too, so I'm not gonna complain about that. We were after browns, but hey, that was a big cut bow, guys. Let's go get us one more, or a lot more. It's only 10 o'clock, guys. We're still smashing, and it's only 10 o'clock. Let's go get us some more. It's gonna be a great day. All right. All right, everyone, after catching a giant fish like that, we wanna make sure that there's no abrasions in your line. And we had to put a new minnow on because he smashed that one, but make sure your jig head's all good, your knot's still good. With those big teeth on those giant fish, they can really fray up your line pretty good. So just give it a feel. Make sure there's nothing gonna break you off from the next big one. All right. Another big one, another big one. All right. Oh. Oh. We got a big one on, guys. Another big one. This could be bigger. This one could be a little bit bigger. Oh. Come on, big guy. This one could be bigger, everyone. Holy cow. Come here, big guy. We're gonna have to tire this one out. Man, this is a big fish, everybody. We only have 6-pound tests, so we don't want to try and rush him too much. There he goes, there he goes. Yep. Let him go a little bit. Holy cow. It's another beast. Another beast here, guys. That's what we're after today. The bigger the minnow, the bigger the fish. Let's go. Come here. Come on up here, big guy. He's probably gonna have another run or two on me. Oh, there he goes. I just don't want him to break this 6-pound line. Come on up here, big. Oh. Where's he at? Trying to find him here. I don't see him yet. Oh shit, he's pulling hard, guys. He's big. There he goes, back another run. Trying to walk down to him a little bit here. Oh, there he's coming up. That's another big cut bow. Another really big cut bow, everyone. Oh. Easy does it. You can't horse these guys in or you're gonna snap or pull it right out of his mouth. Oh. Oh. Yeah, he's a big fish, guys. Oh, come on up here, big guy. He is not tired yet. No, sir. Oh, come on. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, he wants another run. Oh, he wants another run. Come on. These big bows, they do not tire out, everyone. He is not wanting to tire out here. Oh. There he comes. There he comes. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I got him. Yeah. Another big, giant cut bow. Wow, he's fat. I think this one's a female, y'all. That first one was a big male buck. I think this one could be a female here. Let me get my pole down. Give myself some slack here. Wow, what a giant cut bow. That thing is pretty. Just barely lipped her too. Exactly what we want. So I don't want to hurt her too bad. Oh yeah, she's healthy. Nice big fat cut bow, you guys. Man, she is pretty. That's what we're after today, y'all. Let's get a measurement on her too real quick, and then we'll send her back. Right on. Just for reference, this one's roughly around 20 inches, give or take. Yeah, right on. The last one was a lot bigger. Let's get it underwater her and check her out. Let's go. Alright guys, we did find a fray in our line after that last big fish, and he bent our whole setup. He bent our whole hook, so that's why we got to check him, and so I'm putting a new one on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I just do a modified clinch knot here. Just a good old fisherman's knot. That's what catches me all these fish, y'all. Nothing special, nothing crazy. And today we're going with an 1/8 ounce jig head, a little bit bigger, and a 3-inch minnow. Come all the way in right there. Bring it straight through the middle. Pop it out. You want that minnow to be pretty straight. Right there, just like that. And that's all we're doing, y'all. That's what we're catching these, smashing these fish with. Let's get us a couple more big ones. As always, everyone, never forget to enjoy yourself. Cheers. Got him. We got us one on here, guys. Just a little baby brownie here. Nothing too crazy big. We're not gonna use our net because he's not too big. Right there on the jig. Right on the top of the nose. Shaboink. Hey, give me that back. Nice brown trout, guys. Look at those colors on him. He's pretty. Little tiny male brown trout. Let's let him go. Alright, let's go. Not a hog, but it's a fish. Hey. He's a big one. He's a big one, guys. We got a big one on. We got another toad. Come on in, big guy. He was big. I saw him flash at the top. But yeah, he's pretty big. Looks like a big brown. Alright. Oh, he's trying to roll. He's trying to gator roll us. Hey, hey, hey. Quit gator rolling me. Quit gator rolling me. Come here, big guy. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. In the net, y'all. Alright. He's still trying to gator roll. Hey, you quit it. That's a beautiful brown trout. He smashed it. Yeah, let's check him out. Ooh, what a big old male boy here. That's a beautiful male brown, guys. He's probably at least 20 inches. He's a beautiful fish. Let's get a good picture with him. Let's get a good picture with him. We'll show you what he looks like. Got him. There, I don't know how big he is yet. Not too big. Oh, he got off. Oh, he got off right there at the end. Son of a gun. Oh well. You win some, and then you lose some. Yeah. Got him. Got a good fish on here, guys. Nice little brownie here. Let's get him off. Alright. Haven't had a fish for a little while, so it's nice to get even just a little guy. Pop him right out, I think. Nice little brown trout. He's not too colored up. Let's let him go. Alright, off he goes. Maybe we'll find us a big one in here. Never know. Never know, guys. We got a nice one on, guys. We got a nice one on. Right on, we got some nice one on here, guys. Let's get him out here. Right on. Right on. He's pretty, guys. Let's let him go. It's a little male. Sweet. Let's let him go. Come on there, little guy. Right on. Alright. We got a good one on, guys. We got another good one on here. Oh. Come on up here, big guy. Oh, he's big, guys. Oh, he just got off. No. No. That was a big fish, y'all. Dang it. Oh. Oh, that's sad, y'all. Let's get another one. Dang it. That was the one. Oh, oh. We got a big one on, guys. He's taking us in the current a little bit. Gotta get him out of that current a little bit. He caught us right in all that current. I'm not sure how big he is, but he feels pretty good. I think we tired him out through that current. Come here, big guy. Oh yeah, he's a good size, guys. That's a big cut bow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh yeah. We're gonna have to tire him out a little bit. Come here, big guy. That's a big cut bow, y'all. It's a big fish. Come here, big guy. Easy. 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 Easy fish. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. Come here, big guy. I want to land you. Come on. Oh, that's a big fish, guys. Yeah. Oh. Come on, dude. Come here, tire out. Come here. Yeah. Ooh, almost fell over. Ooh, that's a fat cut boat, guys. Check that guy out. Man, I barely landed him too. I barely landed this guy. Man, that's a big old fat cutty, guys. Man, it's a big cut boat right there. I barely lifted him. Look at that. Just barely came right out. Dang, that's a big fish, y'all. He is fat. Wow. That's what we come down here for, y'all. That's a big fish. We're gonna get a picture with him. We'll be right back. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Healthy cut boat. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Got a good one on, y'all. We got a good fish on. Oh yeah, he's feisty. Come here, big guy. He's a feisty one. Oh yeah, he's pretty good size. That's a cut bow. Let's try and get him out of this current here. Try and get him out of the current. Out of the current. Get out of that current. Get out of the current here, guy. Come on. Oh. Good fish. It's a good fish. See if we can hit him here. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Come here, big guy. That's a big cut bow, y'all. Oh, yeah. That's a good size. Nothing like what we've just been smashing, but that's a good fish, guys. Let's check him out real quick. Hello, everybody. Nice big cut bow again. Right there. He's only about 17 inches. Real pretty, though. Let's let this old big old fat girl go here. Yeah, thanks, girl. You're a fatty. Right on. Whoa. Ooh, yeah. Right on, guys. Let's go. We wanted one more before we left, and that might be it. All right. That's a good fish to end the day on. We got a big one on, y'all. We got another big one on. Big toad, guys. This is a big one. I don't know how we're gonna land him here. We're gonna have to try and fight him upriver just a little. Tight lines. This is why they say tight lines, y'all. This is a big fish. He's gonna take off here in a minute, watch. If this is a cut bow, he's gonna take off. Yep, there he goes. It's a big fish. Oh yeah, I haven't seen him, but I know this is a big fish, guys. Almost fall over. Oh yeah, big Snake River right here. Oh no, that's a brown, guys. That's a pretty brown. Oh yeah, we got him in the net. Pretty brown. Woo-hoo. Yes, sir. Oh, now we're gonna try and follow her in, aren't we? What a pretty brown, guys. Prettiest one of the day. And I barely hooked him. Right on the lip. That's a big boy. Hey, 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 hey. Hold on here, guy. guys, that brown trout, he's got me going. Makes me want to do a little jig. Yeah. But I think we're gonna end on that one, guys. What a beautiful brown trout. He was about 20 inches. Beautiful colored up male buck brown trout. That's what we've been going for today. And we're gonna end on that note. Thanks for fishing first class, y'all. Like and subscribe to our videos if you guys like all of our content. And we'll be with you on the next one, guys. First class fishing out.